With the colder weather coming, I'm going to show you how to take your planters that look like this and make them absolutely gorgeous. We were sent these 12 bundles of artificial outdoor plants. These are the UV resistant. They're basically plastic plants or greenery shrubs for your home and garden or pathway, even for your window box or your planter. What you're gonna love about these is that 1, you don't have to water them, 2, you don't have to worry about if they're getting sun, and 3, they're gonna look vibrant no matter what. That to me is the end goal. Since we went ahead and cleaned out somewhat of the weeds inside this old planter, I'm gonna go ahead and just stick these literally in the dirt. I'm not fluffing them, I'm not playing with them, I'm literally just sticking them in. And look at that. Just instantly gorgeous. And I still have a couple stems left that I didn't even use. That's how full and fun these are. The color on these is awesome. I'm so excited that this winter, my planters are gonna look like this instead of being full of weeds and flowers and stems that didn't survive the cold. If you're looking to update your outdoor patio or to create just this beautiful scenery for you to go out and sip and drink your coffee in the mornings or even in this afternoon, I highly recommend getting you some of these outdoor plants. They're UV resistant. These are going to stay vibrant and colorful all year long. And again, no maintenance. You don't have to do anything with them. I was sent these to test out and they definitely have my recommendation. I absolutely love them.